Is your Xumo Stream Box shutting down unexpectedly after a reset? The Xumo Stream Box, discontinued in early 2023, often faced issues with its auto sleep feature and failed updates. These problems cause it to turn off prematurely, especially after a reset. The quick fix: try disabling the auto sleep setting. To do this, if you can get the box to stay on long enough, navigate to Settings, System, Power, Auto Sleep, and set it to Off. This prevents the box from automatically shutting down due to inactivity. And if the box is failing during the setup process, ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. Complete the setup without interruptions to avoid update failures that lead to shutdowns. Note that since the Xumo Stream Box is no longer supported, these fixes are workarounds, not guaranteed solutions. Official support has ended for the Xumo Stream Box. Consistent shutdowns indicate the box's hardware or software is failing. The most reliable long-term solution is to switch to the Xumo TV app on a supported smart TV, streaming platform, or mobile device. The app receives regular updates and support, unlike the outdated box. If you insist on using the box, try connecting via Ethernet cable to avoid Wi-Fi problems. Due to lack of security updates for the physical box, using the app provides a safer and more reliable streaming experience. If the provided options do not work, it might be time for a new device or console to stream your content.